Right, we're opening a 1989 score pack. Let's see what good cards we get here. All right, Corey Snyder, Ron Darling. Oh, there you go, Dwight Gooden. That's a good one. We'll put that one over there. We got a little 79, A Year to Remember. Shawn Dunston, Blackjack Morris, Juan Samuel, George Bell, Steve Balboni, Jeff Montgomery, Brian Holton, Al Newman, Roberto Kelly from the Yankees. Remember him playing. Brady Anderson, Jeff Leonard, and Ron Oster. So looks like this is the pick of the pack. It looks like the corners for all of these were bent, but pretty good card nonetheless.